and the wheels of your life will keep on turning without me, without us. But I'm still loving you. My heart won't move. I'm still loving you. You're my world. It's true. Do you think about me when you're all alone? The things we used to do and used to be. I could be the one to make you feel that way. I could be the one to set you free. Do you think about me when the crowd is gone? It used to be so easy, you and me. I could be the one to make you feel that way. I could be the one to set you free. I could be the one to make you feel that way. I could be the one to set you free. I could be the one to make you feel that way. I could be the one to set you free. When you need a way to beat the pressure down, when you need to find a way to breathe, I could be the one to make you feel that way. I could be the one to set you free. If you wanna see me when the crowd is gone, it used to be so easy, can't you see? I could be the one to make you feel that way. I could be the one to set you free. I could be the one to make you feel that way. I could be the one to set you free. I could be the one to make you feel that way. I could be the one to set you free.
Turned up so loud like a phoenix rising, never coming down. No, wrapped in this moment, I don't want to quit. Arms up to heaven, 'cause if this is it, I wanna give it all, I wanna give it now. If this is how it ends, let's go out on fire, burning with your arms around me. When the lights go out, we'll know that we've lived. I want you to love me, baby, love me like you never did. Won't you love me? Yes, love me like you never, love me like you never did. Come on, love me. Yes, love me like you never, love me like you never did. I know we've done a lot, but we can do much more. Is there a side to you I've never seen before? Wrapped in this moment, I don't want to quit. Arms up to heaven, 'cause if this is it, I wanna give it all, I wanna give it all. If this is how it ends, let's go out on fire, burning with your arms around me. When the lights go out, we'll know that we've lived. I want you to love me, baby, love me like you never did. Won't you love me? Yes, love me like you never, love me like you never did. Come and love me. Yes, love me like you never, love me like you never did. If this is how it ends, let's go out on fire, burning with your arms around me. And when the lights go out, we'll know that we've lived. I want you to love me, baby, love me like you never did. Won't you love me? Love me, yes, love me like you never, love me like you never did. Won't you love me? Come on, love me like you never, love me like you never did.
Won't stop, we're on overload, no sleep till tomorrow and tonight. We're gonna let it go, you and I won't stop. We're on overload, no sleep till tomorrow and tonight. We're gonna let it go, you and I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. We're on overload, no sleep till tomorrow and tonight. We're gonna let it go,
It's been a while since you and I got together, and I knew when we met we could last forever. I've opened up so you can see, but you remain a mystery. Don't you know it's who you are, a treasure I've been dying to know who you really are. You've been playing a role to cover up your scars. I don't care if there's tragedy or make-believe while you're running from the dark, but I can't be with you if you hide your heart. I'm waiting for your heart to catch this fire that's strong enough to melt your closed down doors, opening the gates of love, 'cause that's how we go higher up, a place where I know everything gets better. I've been dying to know who you really are. You've been playing a role to cover up your scars. I don't care if there's tragedy or make-believe while you're running from the dark, but I can't be with you if you hide your heart. I've been dying to know who you really are. You've been playing a role to cover up your scars. I don't care if there's tragedy or make-believe running from the dark. I can't be with you if you hide your heart. No, I can't be with you if you hide your heart.
Falling to pieces, but I need this, yeah, I need this. You're my fault, my weakness. When did you turn so cold? You cut me down to the bone, now you're dancing all over my soul. I'm falling to pieces, to pieces, to pieces, but I still stay, 'cause you're the only thing I know. So won't you take, oh, won't you take me home? Take me home, home, home. Take me home, home, home. Take me. Take me, won't you take me home? Round in circles, here we go, with the highest highs and the lowest lows, but no one shakes me like you do. My best mistake was you. You're my sweet affliction, 'cause you earn me right, but you do it nice. Round in circles, here we go. Yeah, but I still stay, 'cause you're the only thing I know. So won't you take, oh, won't you take me home? Take me home, home.
разыграл ты. Он призовет Дарнозма просто и все. Батл.
Nobody's perfect, I'll never try. No, but I promise I'm worth it if you just open up your eyes. I don't need a second chance, I need a friend, someone who's gonna stand by me right there till the end. If you want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me.
1 2 3 2 3 1 2 3 1. Wait. Should be like this. Like this. I think it should be like this. This. Oh yeah. Now it's better. Oh man. It's so hard to work with the glasses. It's so hard to work with them. Because I have no clue how to use them properly. But that's the biggest tip actually that I have in there. You know what I wanted? I wanted another one, like this one. This result adding the past in vector to this vector. It should be def add with self 1 and vector. It should be def of subtract of self and vector. There should be def. What? I don't know what means dot. In this case, it means like it's getting the dot. Kind of a dot. I don't know. It should be with self and vector as well. It should be norm. With self and vector as well. It should be str. If you try to add subtract or dot to vectors with different lengths, you must throw an error. Error. I don't know, do I need some kind of inheritance? Or I need to use class methods? I need to return the new vectors. It turns true if the components of this vector are equal to the components of the past in vector. Must draw an error. How are you gonna draw the error? It's like print, you got the wrong one. You got the wrong one, guy. Turn it off, you got the wrong one. Oh man. What means str? Let's subtract dot norm equals str. Norm and str don't take parameter. Norm and str don't take a parameter. Magnitude of the vector? Magnitude of this current vector? Don't take a parameter. Magnitude is like a value. So that's a value. That's a value of what you want. You're returning an object rather than a number. I need to return a number. Oh man. Array map function works too. Oh man. Oh man. Why he's printing everything? Selfless. Self-courts. Courts is a vector. Hold on a second. I want to know it like this. Try it again, sir. Try it again. A at 8 subtract a norm should return a square t. Norm doesn't get anything inside of it, so it's only self. guess it's only self. And that's some kind of a land for that. Expects A and B equals, yeah, this one. Mastro narrow. How can I make this kind of checkup? And subtract, dot, norm, raises an exception. You can raise the exception. Oh man. Prototypes. I'm just feeling so stupid.
Hey there, how's it
I'm
going,
just
everybody?
feeling so stupid.
In the last video, we learned how to create a simple class and how to create instances of that class. We learned a lot about instance variables, which are used for data that is unique to each instance. So instance variable.
I have a problems with everything. I'm so bad. Should be easy for me. It's not. Equals. I don't get it. Whoa, 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 what?
The rising sun, watch the red sky glow, and when the time comes, angels go, fall into the night, we are side by side, take me into the light. One last time, 'cause I can't keep holding on. I just wanna watch it burn. Just let it all burn down. Feel the fire, watch the flames take me high. Rise and fall, rise above it all. I know I shouldn't, but I just keep lighting fires, lighting fires. So take me back to where the sparks ignite, and when I start
Class status message object.
we'll be fine. 'Cause I can't keep holding on. I just wanna watch it burn. Just let it all burn down. Feel the fire, watch the flames take me high. Rise and fall, rise above it all. I know I shouldn't, but I just keep lighting fires, lighting fires.
Depends on what you're trying to do, but I'm taking it to mean you want to find common numbers. No, if I want to find common numbers, I can use sets. If name main. Holy fucking shit.
Your roller coaster ride was wild. When did all our dreams fall down the line? Thought we were unbreakable, and our love's unusual. Too bad you're just like any other guy. The energy that comes from you, it's an injury that's hurting me and you. Light up, baby, anyway.
Actually, this one works better.
We don't fit together. Why the hell I'd give a damn? Who needs you forever?
You get it? How to use it with the instances of the classes. I need to pass kinda 2 arguments of this. What's the difference?
Pride is something I have learned from you. God knows I tried to give you all I ever could.
Now?
You wanted, I'm
How now?
all that was unthinkable to me. Now
I have problems with the class, sir.
free, baby, 'cause the energy that comes from you,
That's with the inputs in Python? No.
it's an injury
And a class in Java?
that's hurting
Uh-huh.
me and you.
Actually, I'm wondering.
Baby,
Ooh.
anyway, we don't fit together. Why the hell
First name, last name. Attributes.
who needs you
Ah, it's a comment.
forever?
Okay.
Don't bother when I fall for you, you fall for
No first name, full first
Please
name.
don't ask me how I am,
While 1.
'cause I'm better
Uh-huh. So he's gonna input in while
I'm better
try first name into first name into last name.
without you.
Return it except invalid into input. Continue.
I'll be the best you ever had. Yes, I can live with that. Forgive me, but I'm better off without you. Light up, baby.
How can I check the length of them?
Don't fit together.
Say, I can check the length of them.
Hell, I'd give a damn. Who needs you forever? We're like dominoes. Don't bother when I fall for you, you fall for another. Please don't ask me how I am, 'cause I'm better than ever without you. I'm better than ever
For fuck's sake.
without you. I'm better than ever.
Do something. Do something. Just do something, son. Distance. Boolean for that. I didn't do any boolean for that. Yes. You can use this operator. Yes. But I don't fucking get it. I don't fucking get it. still not.
Hey everybody, how's it going? In our last video,
His example's too freaking simple. That's a problem.
last name and pay, and then we are creating a new employee just like we did up here. How to return that new employee object. Okay, so now our alternative constructor is done. So now, and then they are parsing out some dates, and then they're creating that new date time object and returning that. So it's a new way of creating date time objects. So that is very similar to the example that we take the instance or the class as the first argument. So we just pass in the arguments that we want to work with. And I'm going to take in a day here and return whether or not that is a work day. So to make this a simple example, I'm not going to do anything too complicated. I'm just going to return whether or not our day falls on a weekday. So in Python, dates have these weekday methods where Monday is equal to 0 and Sunday is equal to 6 and all the other days in between. So if I wanted to return whether this is a weekday, then I could just say day dot weekday. If that is equal to 5, which is a Saturday, then I'm going to go ahead and just copy this line here and say, or if that day is equal to 6, which is a Sunday, then I'm going to return false. And if it doesn't hit that conditional, then it means that it's a weekday, so I'm just going to return true. Now sometimes people write regular methods or class methods that actually should be static methods, and usually a giveaway that a method should be a static method is if you don't access the instance or the class anywhere within the function. So say that I had this class method up here. You can see that I'm using that class variable there. But if I wasn't using it anywhere within that method, then it probably doesn't need to be a class method. And the same with regular methods. If you're not using that self variable, then it's probably want to check and see if that would be appropriate to use a static method in that place. Okay, so now let's go down here and see if our static method is working. So I'm just going to go ahead and uncomment out. Hey there, how's it going, everybody?
It's not helping me at all.
Instance of the employee that we create. And I briefly mentioned class variables in the last video, but we didn't go into detail. And that's what we're going to learn about in this video. So class variables are variables that are shared among all instances of a class. So while
He's just gonna be freaking, I don't know, it's gonna be like just freaking vector. I'm gonna pass it in. Gonna be like this. And it's gonna be like this. So what? It's just stored in there and that's all. Okay.
It's you and your world and I'm caught in the middle. I cut the edge of the knife and it hurts just a little. Yeah, and I know, and I know, and I know, and I know that I can be your friend. Here's my head on my heart and I'm caught in the middle. My hands are tied but not tight enough. You're the high that I can't give up. Oh, Lord, here we go. I might hate myself tomorrow, but I'm on my way tonight. At the bottom of the bottle, you're the poison in the wine. And I know I can't change you, and I won't change. I might hate myself tomorrow, but I'm on my way tonight. Let's be lonely together. Yeah, a little less lonely together.
So I passed in the arguments. I passed in the arguments.
Eyes wide shut and it feels like the first time. Before the rush to my blood was too much and we flatlined. Yeah, and I know, and I know, and I know, and I know just how this ends. Now I'm all messed up and it feels like the first time. My hands are tied but not tight enough. You're the high that I can't give up. Oh Lord, here we go. I might hate myself tomorrow, but I'm on my way tonight. At the bottom of the bottle, you're the poison in the wine, and I know I can't change you, and I won't change. I might hate myself tomorrow, but I'm on my way tonight. Let's be lonely together. Yeah, a little less lonely together. Let's be lonely together. Yeah, a little less lonely together. Yeah. My hands are tied but not tight enough. You're the high that I can't give up. Oh Lord, here we go. I might hate myself tomorrow, but I'm on my way tonight. At the bottom of the bottle, you're the poison in the wine, and I know I can't change you, and I won't change. I might hate myself tomorrow, but I'm on my way tonight. Let's be lonely together. Yeah, a little less lonely together. Let's be lonely, let's be lonely together. Yeah, a little less lonely together. Yeah, a little less lonely love. I know there's something in the
Why you can just compare them as themselves?
I get a notion from the look in your eyes. You've built a love, but that love falls apart. Your little piece of heaven turns to dark. Listen to your heart when he's calling for you. Listen to your heart. There's nothing else you can do. I don't know where you're going, and I don't know why, but listen to your heart before you tell him goodbye. Sometimes you wonder if this fight is worthwhile. The precious moments are all lost in the tide. They swept away, and nothing is what it seems. The feeling of belonging to your dream. Listen to your heart when he's calling for you. Listen to your heart. There's nothing else you can do. I don't know where you're going, and I don't know why, but listen to your heart before you tell him goodbye.
If you don't, Python uses object identity address to compare object.
And there are voices to your heart. Take all this when he's calling for you. So listen to your heart. Take all this. There's nothing else you can do. I don't know where you're going, and I don't know why. Listen to your heart before. Listen to your heart. Take all this when he's calling for you. Listen to your heart. Take all this. There's nothing else you can do. I don't know where you're going, and I don't know why. Listen to your heart before you tell him goodbye. Listen to your heart. Listen to your heart. Listen to your heart. Listen to your heart.
Reach comparison methods. X equals Y equals equality.
Long and winding road, now a stranger to myself. Shadows fall behind, was a danger to myself. From all of this I know, it's impossible to live without you. It's impossible to live without you. At the end of the day, nothing would mean a thing without you.
Initialization.
Let the world fall away, and I'll still dream about you. It's impossible to live without you. It's impossible to live without you. It's impossible to live without you.
So I need to use some kind of equality for that. But it should be called equals. No. Equals. Yeah, it should call equals.
Patterns fall behind. Had to tell that time farewell.
Equals method to check that two vectors that have the same components are equal.
Impossible to live without you.
How the fuck I can check them?
Impossible to live without you. It's 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 impossible to live without you.
Inflicting some unnecessary suffering with this line.
Walking to the door of this old and lonely place that used to feel like us.
You're passing in a
Remembering the only thing that made me feel like I was worth the love. We used to hold hands, now I dance alone.
No, I don't need this. Should be called
Springsteen playing
Pitons, that's
so
all.
loud. We danced in the dark till it felt like home. With you, home was anywhere.
Why if I call it's like
But
return?
you'll never be left behind. Give
So
me a moment, I need just a little more time. If I could, I would have
or
made things
I
right.
don't know. It should be course. It
But we
should be
can't
value.
go back to the way that we used to love. Never a
Go
past
back.
running through my blood.
I have no idea how this comparison
We
is
can't
working.
go back to the way that we used to love.
No, let's make the
Walking through
date
the
one.
night, you lay by my side. You were always there to heal my scars. And into the dawn, I do my best to try and find some sleep, but you still keep me up.
Seriously, it's
We used to
not
hold
working with
hands, now
each
dance
other.
alone. We had Springsteen
just
playing so
It's useless for
loud.
my case.
We danced in the dark till it felt like home.
Not working with the
With you,
instances.
home was anywhere.
No, it's not.
But you'll never be
Hmm.
left behind. Give me a moment, I need just a little more time. If I could, I would have made things right. But we can't go back to the way that we used to love. Never a past still running through my blood. We can't go back to the way that we used to love. But I can't escape, you're still in my head. Oh, I'm running from the emptiness. But I can't escape, you're still in my head. Oh, I'm running from the emptiness. But I can't escape, you're still in my head. Oh, I'm running from the emptiness.
Override that constant.
But I can't escape.
You're gonna override that.
Oh, I'm running from the emptiness. We
I don't
can't
need a
go
global
back to the
constant,
way
but
that
oh
we
man.
used to love.
Hey everybody, how's it going?
We stand
Huh.
by an open flame.
It's still false. But it's all the same. But it's false, for fuck's sake. That means I'm making something wrong.
I know we won't be the same. You pull
It's the same,
me in,
but it's false.
even though I know it's a fight we won't win. These flames, they burn right through, could burn us alive. But I know these flames are the only thing I need to survive. Whatever happens,
Then how the fuck I can compare them?
I was on fire, on fire.
Oh man.
Whatever happens to a love that was on fire, flames, they burn right through, could burn us alive. But I know these flames are the only thing I need to survive. Whatever happens to a love that was on fire, on fire. Whatever happens to a love that was on fire, on fire. We get burned, but we don't care. Desire. Whatever happens to a love that was on fire, on fire. On fire.
Can I pass another instance? Inside of it, for fuck's sake. Go for your class.
You turn the riot down. I didn't see ya, I didn't see ya. Trying to break me out of the fear, out of the fear. Don't you let me go. Don't you let me go. You threw a bullet in the dark, falling again, my chest beats fast. You fire and load, you fire and load, into my heart, into my heart. You threw a bullet in the dark, falling again, my chest beats fast. You fire and load, you fire and load, into my heart, into my heart. I'm back where I belong, trying to see ya, trying to see ya. Now
Yeah, it's Java.
pain has gone. I'm out of the fear,
Java.
out of the fear. Don't you let me go. Don't you let me go. You threw a bullet in the dark, falling again, my chest beats fast. You fire and load, you fire and load, into my heart.
Two class instances.
You threw a bullet in the dark, falling again, my chest beats fast. You fire and load, you fire and load.
Even if two class instances have the same attribute values, comparing them using this will return false. To override this, default functionality define EQ method.
Don't you let me go. You threw a bullet falling again, my chest beats fast. You fire and load, you fire and load.
Okay, let's make it more complicated. Not like this.
You threw a bullet in the dark, falling again, my chest beats fast. You fire and load,
Or I am
into my heart.
man for self forwards.
The summer leaves are falling.
get a feeling that I'm doing some kind of a shitty, useless things, but
Don't go. Don't go. Don't leave me breaking my soul. It's worth saving. Don't go. Don't leave me breaking my soul. It's worth saving. Don't go. My heart's aching. Don't go. Don't leave me breaking.
data class? Pickle dumps. Oh. Is instance. Object at trouble.
I'm a little diamond in your eyes. No one's gonna ever treat you right. Help you find the truth behind the lie. I'm a little voice inside your head, giving you the words that no one says.
Let's check for that. Can I check for that? Type vector doesn't have expected attributes. Length.
Take a little time, but not too long, to throw it all away would be so wrong. The feelings that we've got are growing stronger. Every single part of me can tell this could be the start of something else. The feelings that we've got are growing stronger.
Don't tell me I need to implement that as well.
I'm a little diamond in your eyes. No one's gonna ever treat you right. No one's gonna ever treat you right. I'm a little diamond in your eyes. No one's gonna ever treat you right. No one's gonna ever treat you right. Yeah. And I see you belong to me, you belong to me, you belong with me.
Vector object is not subscribable.
I see you belong to me, you belong to me, you belong with me. A memory of a dream.
Why is it so complicated?
It seems I walk a lonely road, yet I know deep inside that you are never far much is true. Completely. You pick me up each time you see me fall. You pick me up each time I never need to call. When it seems that I'm blind with no hope at all, you lift me high. You lift me high, so high that I can't see the sky. Then you show me paradise.
Holy shit. I'm not that stupid. Wow. I think I'm getting the main ideas for that. For fuck's sake, man. I'm not that stupid. Oh shit. Oh shit. Shit. Don't tell me I'm not that stupid. Holy moly. Holy moly. I'm getting into freaking classes. Holy freaking moly.
In the darkness when I am so afraid, your light shines through the
Okay.
shiny shade. More of everything, this much is true.
What if you're gonna do?
Who I am because of you.
What if you're gonna do like
You pick me up each
pum, 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 pum.
you see me fall.
For example,
You pick me up
D is for dick. 1, 2, 3. And E is 2, 3, 4. And DE equals D plus E. Is it works as it intends to be working? Or not? Or you... I think you can't. As long as I remember that. Uh-huh. It's not working for each one. Okay. Yeah. So it should be like again, it should be like for the same length. I in range of length of self chords. With the same length, you're gonna make the you actually I will need to make an E list for that. As it says, I need to make another instance. Not another instance, just another object. Not mutate the initial one. Okay.
Waited for so long, and now it's time to break all the shackles and start breathing. No longer want to be locked and face confines. I started a game I want to be in. So I'm in dream. So I'm in dream. So I'm in dream.
Should be like this. As I can see, it should be like this.
So I'm in dream.
I'm making it for this range. Pending the value.
It's like reflection that dazzles my eyes. Like million
Let's check if it's working or not. Should be.
it makes me shiver and shake.
Print A at
It's like I'm wrapped in
B.
embrace of it's only your
What's the date?
voice that gives me
Actually, it's working. Okay. To subtract. What if I don't not defining this one? No, I should. Subtract. Result list. All the same, actually. It's all the same. Should I make some kind of inheritance for that?
so I'm in dream. So I'm in dream.
Actually, for this one, it should be not the same. Should be some kind of a variable for that.
So I'm in dream.
Uh-huh.
In the end of night, I still see
It'd be like the initial one, x equals false, for example. And if he's going to check for everything of this, and he's gonna go throughout everything of this,
coming closer.
I need to do something special.
Come on, share my dream. Join me here. Come on, share my dream. Join me here. Come on, share my dream. Join me here. Come on, share my dream. Come on.
Should be like this, I think.
The tapestry of us, the fabric made of dark threads,
Okay.
twisting and spiraling. But on a clear day, there was love in technicolor. I'm holding on. I wanna
All
be
the same result list. All the same look for everything.
strong. Memories gone, memories hard.
Result list. You're gonna paint all the same thing over and over and over again. Thinking this time is gonna be different.
The sound of ever after.
then you're gonna return the result to list as well. Question is only on the in this case it was subtract method for that. Print A subtract B. How is it gonna look like? It's working actually. Value is not what I was expecting. Now I need the dot for that. We need a dot. And we need some kind of a string thing. New vector, that is the result of subtracting the passed in vector from this vector, returns the dot product of this vector and the passed in vector. I don't get the thing for the magnitude. Now for the dot, it should return the value itself. Yeah, it should return the value. It should return the value for that, the value for that. Inside of the lists. It's gonna be another loop. Is it? I think it's gonna be another loop for that for us. So it's gonna be like result gonna be 0. Then for I in yeah, I know, it's ugly. It's ugly as fuck. Ah, I can use the zip. Can I use the zip for that? And I can use a map. Wait a second, guys. I can use a zip and map. For fuck's sake. Zip. Should be zip. Python zip. It troubles, aggregates them in a tuple and return it. And the map. It could be more beautiful. I got a feeling for that. Let's give function to each item of iterable and return us a list of the result. Do I have good examples of map and lists for that? I should have them. I got a feeling that I should have them. Map. Pass in multiple iterators to map using lambda. Yeah, like this.
feels like the cold.
Like this, totally worth it.
For me, so I won't be alone. These fractures in my heart
What's it gonna look like?
are splinters in the dark. Can't cover up the scars of who we really are. Do
Yeah.
I cross your mind when you close your eyes? Is there a kick inside when you close your eyes? Into the dark, I'm here on my own. It hurts too much knowing your heart is cold. Days feel like years. It all ends in tears. Your silence is clear. It'll all end in tears.
Slam them.
No feelings left to hide. Just memories and lies. I know that we can't turn back time. However hard I try. Do I cross
Passing
your
multiple iterators to map using lambda.
when you close your eyes?
And it should be like
Inside, when you close your eyes, into
just them. That's all.
I'm here on my own. It hurts too much knowing your heart is cold. Days feel like years.
And he doesn't like that.
It all
This code isn't reachable.
Your silence is clear. It'll all end in tears.
What if I'm gonna make it like this? Huh?
It all ends in tears. Your silence is clear. It'll all end in tears.
I mean, it's much more beautiful without this ugly loop. I just get a feeling that I can use the map for that. If it's gonna work or not. Let's check. No, it's not gonna. Oh, okay. Pass. Oh, map object. Oh, okay. It returns map object. Doesn't return the value. Okay. I got your idea. What if I call that result to list? Then it's not gonna work. That's invalid syntax for that. That's interesting.
You gave me shelter from the rain. You pick me up each time I fall into the flames. Caress me once again. Save my soul.
Okay. Now it's gonna work for that. Awesome. Awesome. It was add A and B. Okay, we can make the same, just the same for the subtract. I'm becoming some kind of a one-liner. Oh shit. Just gonna be on 1 minus. I don't know, maybe it's gonna be more readable if I'm making like this.
Is there a place? Tell me that you're gonna want it whole, and I won't.
It should return the new list for that. Yeah, it's gonna be new value. Is it gonna be like that? Yes, it's gonna be like that. I got a feeling for this. Now, I should return this. So I need to multiply each of them and then calculate them. So it's gonna be sum. I think it's gonna be some function for that. It's gonna be like this, but it's not gonna be list. It's gonna be sum. And it's gonna be not like this, it's gonna be like this. And I need to check my theory for that. I'm gonna be like print A dot B. For that one. A dot B, yeah, it should be 26. Ah. Ah. Ah, I got such a good feeling about this. Wow. This lambda function's just amazing. Freaking lambda functions. For fuck's sake, wow. With norm it should be harder.
Life is like the setting sun. We're as fragile as a feather. Still I know you were the one. I can see it clear. Even when you're far from here, still you seem so near. Even when you're far from here.
I need more examples for map. For join, for zip actually I need the same for the zip. I can see that for the zip. If you're working with recursive functions, use this. Music. Music, you have betrayed me. I'm not stepped away, sir. I'm here. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Little fish pond.
Life goes on, we move along. Love survives, love survives.
Pizza chicken. Collections, hider tools. Hider tools working awesome. Some kinds, well, some kind of results.
You see the light in your eyes. Love survives. Life goes on. We move along. Love survives. Love survives.
Regex, oh man, regex. Use dollar to search from the ending. Actually, yeah, you can do that. Okay. I need the formula for the norm.
Broken promises die like roadkill. They're on the side of the street. Concrete
Actually, I can
casualties
use it without math. No worry for that.
spit out, raised high, then drop down, and now I don't know what's left of me.
Formula for what? Formula for
But I collect
this
myself and crawl
defragmentation of a vector.
hands to the sky and shout,
I want to make it like a one line as well.
mistakes again. 'Cause some
People saying it's magnitude of the vector.
to everything to tear it apart, but I never allowed myself to let you in. When all I want
And according to the Google Translator, magnitude is a kind of a value of it. Magnitude and length are the same thing. I can't recognize my geometry class from the high school, so it's the Pythagorean theorem in endment. Okay, I believe you. I'm not gonna argue about that. I just believe you in your words. It's okay, but I just, as I can see, that should be the simple formula for that.
when you should be the ground beneath my feet, the better half of me.
It's just I need to use the map function for that, I think. Applies a given function to each item of an iterable, excuse me. So it's gonna be like return. No, it's not gonna be a list. It's gonna be map of iterable of our self chords. Now, first of all, I need a function. I can use it with one argument. I have used lambda here with 2 arguments. This time I can use it with 1 argument. So it's gonna be lambda and 1 equals and 1 times 0.5, and it takes the values from the self chords. And then I need to, so it's like it's returning me the SQRTs of each value. Then I need to summarize them, and that's all, I think. That's not correct. Oh, okay. You have to sum the squares. Then take the square root of the result.
You're standing all alone, now you wanna turn your back on it all. You're stronger than you know, you gotta take control before you fall. They say the words can hurt you, but I know that they can, 'cause they do. And you just need to fight back, 'cause no one's got the right on.
I got it. I got the wrong formula. I need to sum squares. Yeah, you're right. I need to summarize the squares. And then I need to I need to summarize them, and then I need to make a SQRT of them. Exactly. Remove redundant parentheses. Oh, I have useless parentheses somewhere. Okay. Then it should be like this. First of all, you take the sum of the squares. That's the sum of the squares. Then you're getting the square root of the result. Let's check that. Print. Print.
I can feel it through the door.
Self.
Every time you hold me closer in your arms.
Oh.
You've taken me the places I've never felt before. Feeling all the pages.
Okay. Print 14. I mean, should I round it up or not? It's the same. Okay, for now it was the easiest part of everything. I have now another problem. I have two problems. I should have some kind of a two-string method.
I'm flying with you to the sound of love. I find it hard to breathe.
I don't know. I'm not sure about the equals method. It says an equals method to check that two vectors that have the same components are equal. It's not finished yet, but according to this description, it should be like this. It's magnitude of the vector, so it's like this. How do you say that? Squares. I'm summarizing the squares. I can't remember all the names of the vectors, but yeah. Some guys in the discourse are arguing about that as well. That norms needs to be defined. So norms here just returns the magnitude of the vector. Am I sure comment is right? According to the thing that it has 12 likes, I think it is. Just according to this. Because if we gonna get in here and check the same thing, for the vector A it's 1, 2, 3, and it returns what it returns. It returns the sum of squares, and then you need to get a square root of the result. So I think the comment is right, according to this. Now I need to implement two more things. things if the vector has more arguments and some kind of a two-string method. Problem is just weird. I can't remember all methods that you can, all the characteristics for the vectors actually. It's not the thing that familiar to me. The only thing I can remember from the mathematics about vectors is like it's scalar or the vector value. Scalar is just regular value, vector value has the horizontal line above value. That's all that I can remember. It's like it should have something in a dimension. But I can remember like the theoretical things about this, but implementations for that, it was just too, I don't know, maybe 10 or 15 years ago. Scalar value is arguably also one-dimensional. I think you know more about that than I do. I'm just trying to recognize my high school program. I just trying to dig in my memory. But yeah, I can remember that we have made the same things like adding vectors, subtracting vectors, but I can't remember the things about the dot and normalization or magnitudes, getting the length of them. Because for me, as I have finished the metallurgy major, we had some kind of different things. Like for example, when we had some kind of a dimensional thing, it wasn't the square. For example, I'm gonna say that. Hold on. Play flat. Plane or flat, it should be like this, yeah. And if you have something like a plane, it was in the square roots. For example, this one means that we have flat in a dimension, and the chords on the x is 1, on the y is 0, on the z is 0, and it it's just a plane in this direction. Normalizing means you make its magnitude exactly 1. To do that, you divide each component by the magnitude. So at first you're getting the magnitude, which is this one. And then you divide each component, like each of this component, by the magnitude. Okay. I can remember that. Okay. So the description for this kata is not correct. And the guys in the comments section agree with you that the description for the norms is not correct. And that's why he's saying norms needs to be defined. The result will be a vector pointing in the same direction, but with a magnitude of 1. For me, it's still the weird thing that how the vector could have 4 coordinates if I can imagine only 3 times dimension. Yeah, okay, you just need to get a vector that points the same direction as the original one, but with the value or with the length of a 1. Okay, I got it. I don't know why it calls normalizing, but I think it's like the steady steady description for this operation. Formula for dot product and magnitude works in any number of dimensions. Ah, okay. I think in the school days we have worked only with the existing dimensions to make it more usable. So if you can imagine some kind of a problem, it's much more easier for you to solve that. And if you can't imagine that in a real dimension, it's gonna be a theoretical problem, and it could be harder for you to imagine that. Cross product doesn't work in most dimensions other than 3 and 7. Man, I still can't imagine more dimensions than 3. You tell me about 7 dimensions. Okay. STR. STR. Returns 1, 2, 3 for the vector 1, 2, 3. And if you try to add subtract or dot two vectors with different lengths, you must throw an error. What kind of an error? And I need to make some kind of a str. Double underscore str self method. Is a standard Python magic method for printing string representations of your class. As I heard, you should use like REPR method instead of str. REPR, repper, very close, repper. Repper, I saw that somewhere. Repper. I can find that. Class attributes and the str methods. What's that? What was that reading here? I don't know. Natural way to do that? Ah, it was like if you wanna imitate the stack of cards. Okay. Self rank plus off plus self suits. Rapper has a slightly different implication. Okay. But I saw somewhere that it's some kind of a similar, but I can't remember where I have seen that. It's generally intended to be less human friendly, but to contain enough information to construct the class from it again. So it's like a machine version of str, double under str. Okay. Okay. So, what do I need as the str method? Just return the, as you said, string of my vector, that's all. String version of my vector. It just returns a string. Okay. So you can have like multiple double under str methods inside of your class, or it should be unique one. I think it should be unique one.
But suddenly we are lost
Yeah.
with you.
Only one per class.
Where we used to cross the line. The memories that we built are gone. So freeze time and don't let go. If you're not ready to move on now, you're not ready to move
I'm gonna use the regular tuple thing. It's gonna return the thing with the spaces, and it should be spaceless. I'm gonna try that.
Cause I'm not ready to move on now. You're not ready to move on
Tuple of our self chords. Print. Ah, it's gonna be a regular str. Okay.
and every word we said is nothing we could change. For you, I could walk the front line between the wars and guns.
We're gonna.
Nothing could make me
As intended. It returns it with
freeze time and don't let
the white spaces, and we need to remove white spaces from that.
ready to move
That means we need to make some kind of a trick.
now. So freeze time and don't let go. If you're
And I need
ready
to make it
you're not
white spaces less.
so please say that you'll
Can I pass an argument into the str?
I'm not ready to move on now. You're not ready to move on now.
Create a new string object from the given object.
'Cause I'm not ready to move on now. So please say that
String has a join method you could use if you don't want to remove white spaces.
I'm not ready to
Actually, I want to remove them.
now. You're not ready to move on now.
Yeah, I'm thinking about some kind of a... Actually, I can remember if I want to make a string out of the list. Usually I have used the join method for that. You're right. I got the idea for that. But I need the examples for that. I need the examples for that.
Pull me under.
Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa,
The
whoa.
world is at my feet.
Okay,
and
that's
it's no wonder.
something simpler.
Your eyes speak to me. They tell me be calm. They tell me be strong. Swimming out so deep, now I can't breathe. And it's exactly where I belong. 'Cause it feels like the ride of a lifetime. And nothing's gonna save us now.
Okay.
Let the
Give me the
waves
simple
wash
examples of join one. Python string join.
Feels like I'm right for the first time.
I need to find it by myself, actually. Yeah, I know that it should be looking like you say, but I need to think it about myself. returns a string created by joining the elements of an iterable by string separator.
It's taking over. There's no in between till I found me some cover. Oh no, the tide is coming. I don't know if I can take it. I lose my focus, with every breath I feel my
If I'm gonna return the Zeus version of this, and how does it gonna look like?
nothing's gonna save us now. Let the waves come crashing down. 'Cause it feels like I'm right for the
Sequence item 0, expected string instance, int found.
heart skip a beat again. I'm drowning in your
Okay.
If you had this time again, would you do it all the same? I wonder, oh, would I? Of the promises we made, is there anything
I thought it's gonna be string.
change? In the river,
We have to manually map to strings from integers.
if I could call you for a day, just to hear the words you'd say, I would. Oh, all the colors that you bring, all come rushing back again. All the places that we've been.
Okay, I got your idea.
All the people
Then we can use this.
they'll come running back to you. All the faces that
This plus this plus and I think it's gonna be working.
and we never took the time to
Mm-hmm.
see where
You're right.
you
I can.
going.
So I think I got this result I wanted. Thank you. I don't know what means the F letter before your join method. Why you have made it like within dictionary and with the F character in the beginning. Hello there, Hector. I was missing you as well. What are you working on? I'm working on the vector class. Look at, I don't know. I was like brainwashing, I don't know, storming my internal brain powers into these freaking class things. And now I'm successing in this for now. They called F strings. They are Python's interpolated strings. It's something you can use instead of string concatenation with plus. F strings. Maybe I have met them maybe one time, and that's why I have forget about them. Strings Python.
All the colors that you bring, will they ever come again?
So it's just if you don't want to use the format method, in some cases you just can use the F strings for that. Literal strings interpolation. Pom pom pom. Yeah, I know the percent formatting. I know that. But the F formatting? I know the format method as well.
And I made a promise that I couldn't keep. Heartache, heartbreak, all over town, but something flipped like a switch when you.
F string is really an expression evaluated at runtime, not a constant value.
These are the days we've been waiting for. On days like these, who could ask for more? Keep them coming, 'cause we're not.
It's some kind of a
These are the days that we won't
chimera. I don't know, chimera. What should we say? It's mutant chimera. Chimera. Yeah, some kind of a chimera of percent formatting and the format method, as I can see. Where I was. Where it was this freaking tab? I missed that. It's here. Yeah, from the examples, I see how I can use that. Wait, that means instead of what I have read, I can return something more readable. But, can I? So if I'm gonna use your version, it's gonna be the same? I'm gonna check that. Yeah, that's more beautiful. And it's working since Python 3.6. That's beautiful. It's personal preference. Yeah, but it's more beautiful actually. I mean, comparing between two of these options, I would prefer the first one, that's for sure. I just need to make a habit to use them. So it's not only Python, it's not Python only implementation, it has, this thing has like everywhere among all other languages. Okay, then I need to make a habit to use them. Actually, I love the format method as well, but here there are no usage for this in this case. Because I know that the percent formatting using the percent, it's just old date method. It's not useful these days, that's for sure. Nowadays people using the format, and maybe in some cases they're using the F string as well, as you do.
nothing to hold but the memories and frames. Oh, they remind me of the battle I faced. Without your love, without you, I drown. Somebody save me, I'm going down.
But it's always just interpolated strings. Okay. Okay, okay, that's good. That's awesome. We have made the string variation as well. Awesome. Even the one ugly thing for now is the checking for the equality. Like, look at this. We have made everything in one string except the checking for the equality. Oh, I need to think about the equality checking. I have read about the equality method itself, where it was like this one. But the problem is I need to call my method the equals method. I have tried the building double equal sign. It's not working for the objects of the classes. He thinks that object of the classes is always different. It says actually in here as well. Where it's saying no, it's not working. I was trying that. I can try that again, no worry. Because he thinks that no, it's not. I was trying to do that at the first attempt. It's like at the first sign, at the first sight, excuse me, it should return false or true no matter what. Yeah. Now, if I'm gonna do this, like print a equals, for example, with the C, as you can see, A and C, they're the same lists. They're the same lists. But if I'm gonna run this checking, I got a feeling that I have tried this thing already. What the hell? Actually, it's working now. What the freaking... No. It wasn't that bad. No. Maybe I was trying to compare this. Maybe that was the problem. Because at first sight, I haven't felt the difference between this and this. Because I don't know why it's not raising the error in this case. I mean, it should have like making this curved line under this, and like, what the fuck are you doing? What are you trying to do? I don't know. I was thinking it's the same, but it's not the same. No, it's working. It's working. Okay then. I was thinking like maybe you need to check every element of the vector or not. Oh, it's just the quality of them. Okay. Actually, okay. Actually, I'm gonna save it in here just in case it's not gonna work. Now, I still don't get it. Why in this case he's not saying that that's not correct? Why it's not? Why he's not saying that it's not correct? But why he doesn't know that? He's just like thinking like, what if he's going to throw in some kind of another list, just some kind of a different object? It just calls because it's dynamically typed. It reminds me of the argument that was like maybe 2 weeks ago of one of my viewers were saying that the biggest Python problem that it is dynamically programmed language comparing to the static programming language, comparing to C and etc. C++. Yeah, I know, because in statically typed language you need to initialize the values before that. Surprisingly for me, now it works. Now, yeah, but for now I know that there are existing in this kind of a EQ double underscore method is existing anyway, and you can implement it into your classes as well. Okay. Now I need to the last one. If you try to add subtract or dot to vectors with different lengths, you must throw an error. Data model. There are a lot of plain text in here. Oh, it's saying about everything actually. About everything. Bullshit. Built-in functions, built-in methods, models, custom classes, class instances, terminal types, frame objects, traceback objects, slice objects, special method names. Init self, delete. Hey, I have this site already. Docs Python org data models. Oh no, I was reading about 14 and regex and the functions. I was reading about something else like this. Yeah, I had this page because I was reading about the quality method as well, and it was in here. Okay. No time for that. No. I need to finish the last one, checking for the length. And I'm gonna try to attempt my class inside of it. If you try to add, subtract, or dot two vectors with different lengths, you must throw an error. What kind of an error? It doesn't say that. Norm and dot must not change the vector. Actually, I'm not doing that. Yeah, I'm returning the new one. I'm not mutating the old one. I'm returning the new one. In both cases? In both cases. In all the cases, I'm returning the new value of that. That's awesome. Quality, I'm checking. Exception hierarchy. How to pronounce that word?
Hierarchy.
Holy fucking shit.
Hierarchy. Hierarchy. Hierarchy.
Hierarchy, for fuck's sake.
Hierarchy. Hierarchy. Hierarchy.
Even in Russian it sounds
Hierarchy.
difficult.
Hierarchy.
Hierarchy. Exception hierarchy. Wow. Hierarchy. No, I mean, should I like get this code everywhere, like try this, but not. I shouldn't make it like try this except one. No. Yeah, you can do a try there. That's a problem. In regular case, you just can do some kind of try except, and that's all. But in this case, you should erase this error by yourself. You just need to erase. You just need to erase. Where I need to erase that? That's a good question. How I need to raise that? Where I need to raise that? I can understand that, like. No, I can't understand that. It's not gonna be try except. No. Okay, we're gonna remove that. Sure about this now? I'm passing to... But it says if you try to add, subtract, or dot two vectors, you must throw an error. Okay. I can use one function inside of another function.
sunshine in the dark, and it's the remedy. Give me that love that fills the heart.
But I need to do them inside of a free methods. Into the add methods, into the subtract methods, or into the dot methods. So it should be raising only inside of them, and I thought it raise will end execution. It doesn't matter where you do it.
Everything now that weighs me down, you lift so easily, taking me 10 feet off the ground. This is what you do to me. I've been walking with shadows, but they make the sun burn low. Then you showed me how to leave the past behind. Now I'm not afraid to let go.
But you mean you can here not return? You can raise somewhere here? I don't know what means raise. I never used that. How to raise that? Ah. Ah. Can I make it like this? Okay. Now I need to... I didn't know that you can raise the errors by yourself. Okay. Okay, how can I implement that? Oh, I need to use that before everything, I think. But how can I call them? I mean, how can I raise that? In which case it's gonna be raising? Runtime error. Okay. No difference for me. I mean, I need to pass this error raise to my add methods. Can just call your raise back as the first thing in those methods. It doesn't feel the inheritance for that. I need to use some kind of inheritance for this. Okay. Ah, wow. Can you make it like this? Like, not like this, but passing the argument as well. Ah, then you will need to have to pass this argument actually. Yeah. Wow. I'm learning too much new things for me now.
You pull me in,
If it raises the error, the next line will never run, so it did its job.
and my heart beats
We need to check that.
faster now.
If we gonna... Hey,
I don't know
print
will let
A,
and there's no
subtract
way out.
C.
'Cause every little
One
thing
time
you
error.
do, it drags me deeper into you. You lead me down on the darkest roads.
The one bad thing about your help, you're telling me you're telling me the answers. I didn't know why I should use the self, but I should have figured it out actually.
Diving into a black hole.
Yeah, I do.
Don't let go is all you say. Where you go, I will follow. I need to
Hey.
break away.
Yeah, he's saying that.
And now I know that I
You pass the error to the construct. Yeah, you can make it this. Here.
is never enough. 'Cause every little thing you do, it drags me deeper into you.
I didn't know that you can raise.
Down on the darkest
Am I
road.
wrong? Oh, I didn't know about the raise function
Saying we could have it all.
until this day. I only knew about the return. But if you can raise the errors just manually, I didn't know that. That's just awesome. Just awesome actually. See?
Diving into a black hole.
It's copy pasted, right? Wow. Exercises? Yes, that's the exercise for the classes. Hello there, Mr. Juan. Let's call you Juan. It's called exception handling in the languages that have it. I didn't know that you can pass the argument in here. That's just something new for me, as well as the raise command. I have never seen the usage of the raise command yet, that's for sure. Yeah, I'm learning how to use the classes. Okay, I'm gonna try to do. I don't know what's wrong. Was Victor. I have no time, I have to run to the work right now. Good, thank you. If you like what you see, I don't know if you like what you see, you can follow. If not, it's okay. If you had wrapped your print call in a try, it would have immediately passed control to your... I have no idea what you're talking about. What you mean wrapped your print? Wrapped.
All of my life, I'd face
Packaged. Okay, if you have packaged your print call in a try, it would have immediately passed control to your accept block. Okay, but I don't know how it's related to mine. I mean, I was just wondering that you have you can make this one. That's just awesome. Except it's in the basics. No, I can remember the basics for that. But still, I haven't had a good experience for the try except blocks. I mean, I know that you can use finally as well. But you said it have immediately passed control to accept block. That's very fair for me. Okay, I need to run, guys. That's for sure. I need to run so freaking fast. Thank you for watching this day. I hope I'm gonna stream as well tomorrow because it's become productive. So hope to see you next time. Goodbye, guys.